Do you know that we had a different Torah reading this morning from that which they did in Israel? Now, how is that possible? They lit 3 Chanukah candles last night, as did we, and yet they have a different Torah reading. What did they read today? Today, they read the section by Yom HaShlishi, the offerings that were brought at the time of the dedication of the Mishkan on the 3rd day, and they read it over 3 times. That is, 3 people who were called up had the exact same Torah reading, that it was read 3 times for them. What did we read? For Kohen, we read half of the 3rd day. Levi, who happens to be also a Kohen here in our congregation, welcome. We read the second half of the 3rd day. And for Shlishi, for the Israel, we read the 4th day. How can we have a different Torah reading? Well, let's just think for a moment. Is there another time besides on a 2nd day of Yom Tov that there's a different Torah reading between Israel and Chutz La'aretz, outside of Israel? The answer is
Yes.
besides the 2nd day. In other words, Simchas Torah is entirely different because we are having a different day from them. So aside from the 2nd day type thing, the other time when there's a difference of the Torah reading is on Chol HaMoed Sukkos. And on Chol HaMoed Sukkos, likewise, when they read from the offerings that are to be brought on the holiday of Sukkos, they read the same thing over each day of Chol HaMoed for all 4 people who are called up. And what do we do? Similar to what we did today. That is, we have a split up between the reading of the day and of the following day. So why on Sukkos do we do it that way? Because on Sukkos it is, we are keeping the Sveika de Yoma for us, that is the so-called doubt of which day it is, so we read for the 2 days. In Israel, for sure it is the day, they only read 1. And therefore what we're doing on Hanukkah is really that we are just following the custom of Sukkos. There, they do what would be normal. We follow the custom of Sukkos. Is there any place on Hanukkah where there is some thought of the offerings of Sukkos? And the hint is Beis Shammai, but we'll save that for tomorrow morning, Mir Tzashem.